Hi there and welcome back to a new video. Now before I start off investing and before we just start off this video in general, I'd just like to ask a question. So I was wondering if you'd be interested in me doing these same kinds of videos and also the upcoming videos I'll be doing, so of passive income in general and investing. I was wondering if you guys would want me to do the same videos in Spanish, in Dutch, in German, or in French. So yeah, if any of you in the audience speak those languages or and want me to do a video in those languages or just want me to do in those languages because you want me to do in those languages, I don't know. But so yeah, anyways, if you are interested in me doing that, please do leave me a comment in the comment section and we'll get in touch and I'll make a video in one of those languages. Okay, now let's get straight into investing. Today we have, oops, here we go. So we have this amount to invest right here, and I'm going to be buying into 5 stocks today. So different kinds of stocks, a lot of different stocks. Pfizer is doing very good, even though I bought it yesterday. It's already up 7%. That's because of the good news of the pandemic kind of straying over, and also because Great Britain is going to be rolling out the virus next week already. So anyways, let's go straight into this video and buy 5 stocks. Let's go invest. And the first stock we're going to be buying today is AFLAC. It's already here. AFLAC. I don't know how you pronounce this, but if you do know, do let me know in the comments if I should pronounce it differently. We are going to go ahead and buy the stock for $1,500 of the stock. So this will give us 30 shares, and yeah. Okay, review order. Now, because I'm out of my commission-free trades, I'm gonna have to pay a little bit more, but that's fine. But so yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and buy AFLAC. We're buying the share at $45 a share of the stock at $45 a share. Sorry, numbers of shares 33. Okay, let's go. The order has been executed. Thank you very much, Revolut. Now let's say if it's in our stocks. Okay, perfect. It's right in here, right between AbbVie and Bank of America. Now, next stock, we are going to buy Waste Management, and I would like to buy $1,000 worth of Waste Management shares. So that should give us around 9 shares, I think. Let's go ahead and buy, and I like 1,000. Okay, 8.5 shares. Sorry, my math was wrong on that. Let's go straight ahead and view order. Buying it at a share price of $170. Commission is €1, so at the moment €1 is equal to $1.20. So our commission is $1.20. Estimated total cost. Okay, submit. There we go. Okay. Here, where is Waste Management? Okay, it's in our portfolio, that's for sure. Let's go ahead and see for our third stock. Our third stock is going to be Home Depot. I'm going to be buying, again, $1,000 worth of Home Depot. It's 2% down now, today. That's not why I'm buying it, but anyways, it is 2% down, 2%. Okay, let's buy. Again, we're going to buy $1,000 worth of Home Depot. This will give us 3 shares. a little bit more, 3.69 shares. Commission, trades left, blah blah blah. Okay, here we go. Okay, perfect. Now, let's invest into our fourth stock of the day. Let's see if it's already in my recommended. No, those are not the stocks I'd like to buy. Okay, get that. Okay, let's buy $1,000 of Caterpillar. There we go. Review order. Submit. Let's check if it's in our portfolio. And it is. Home Depot is too. Yeah, we're about at 22 stocks now in our portfolio. I think 22, 23. And let's add a 23rd or 24th, I'm not sure. But let's add the last stock of the day, which I'm going to be buying, which is Procter & Gamble, P&G. Here we go. Okay, let's buy it. Let's buy $1,000 of Procter & Gamble. Okay, submit. There we go, your order has been executed. Okay. Now, these are all the shares I wanted to buy today. Let's see if all of them are in my portfolio. Okay, waste management is down 0.05%. P&G is still at the rate I just bought it. Home Depot is down. Caterpillar is down. Aflac is up. But anyways, here's an overview, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing some more videos, but maybe in a different style of videos in the next coming weeks, about my business ventures, about dividends, about Revolut itself. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for all of those videos coming up. And yeah, if you have any questions, please be sure to leave those in the comment sections. And of course, smash the like button. That way our video gets viewed by more people, and more people can enjoy the content and learn from what we can share together. Okay, see you soon.